Hello, hi Kumar. Yeah, once again, good morning all. Now we are going to uh, start our session, today's session. Yeah, is this screen is visible?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
even
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Thank you. Now, here in continuation of last class, I think we discussed about keys, right? Super key, candidate key, primary key, foreign key, and unique key. Yes or no? Hello, hello.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you know what is a super key, what is a candidate key, what is a primary key, what is a foreign key, what is a unique key. Here we know, again I will repeat this to anyone is don't know, then we can follow that. Here, so you know, first of all, if you want to go to learn types of key, first of all, what is the key? Here, can anyone tell what is a key? Any one of you, please? What is a key? Why key is required?
It is unique identification of entity.
Yeah. Sir, whenever you want to identify entity uniquely, we need a key. So that we can identify that entity uniquely. Here, for that, we have so many categories of keys, especially they are classified into five. The first one is the super key. So, what is the meaning of this super key? The super key, nothing but it is also a key, but when we are going to observe this super key, all the attributes of entity is work as a key to identify that entity uniquely. So such type of key is called as super key. Already I told you the post, when you are going to send a post, then we require all the attributes for that particular candidate. So that here that attributes, the key total attributes are going to participate for identifying of the entity uniquely. That is called as super key. So what is a candidate key? Candidate key also a subset of super key means here more than one attribute is going to involve to identify that entity uniquely. So such type of keys are called as candidate key. Already we discussed so many examples. Again, just I am recalling the things. Here, what is a primary key? Here, primary key is nothing but in a entity we have only one attribute to identify that entity directly. Means here we have to take only one attribute is enough to identify that particular entity. For example, student hall ticket number is enough to identify that particular student entity out of the entity set. Because if we know the hall ticket number, then I can identify the student very easily. That is called as primary key. Means only one attribute is work as to identify entity uniquely. That attribute is called as primary key attribute. Clear? All of you clear? Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah. Now I told you that time along with the primary key, unique key also there. Here the primary key and unique key. What is the difference? Primary key also allows the only unique data. Unique key also allows the unique data. But we can allot only one attribute as a primary key, but you can allot more than one attribute as a primary key. So earlier I told very clearly, if you take one table, student table, the student hall ticket number is the primary key, and you can add email ID and Aadhaar number and PAN number. So these are also key attributes, but it is not a primary key because we are designing student database. So that all ticket number is a primary key. Other number, PAN, and other keys, maybe you can work as a unique key. Yeah, because as per the discussion, only one attribute is work as a primary key for any relation. But in a unique key, we can take n number of attributes as a unique case. So that is the difference. And one more also there, the primary key doesn't accept any null value for the input. Means when we are going to define an attribute as a primary key attribute, it doesn't accept null value. It means compulsory whenever we are giving some value to the attribute, that must be not a null. But coming to the unique key, here it is going to allow one null value. Why it is going to one null value means here that one null value also a unique value. Here we are again after inserting first null value, again we are trying to insert next null value. It doesn't allow because already data is there, same data. That's why it never accepts redundancy. So that is the difference between primary key and unique key. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to coming to what is a foreign key. Here I clearly mentioned whenever we are going to design a database for one particular organization or one particular task, here we have lot of entities. Here every entity is having lot of attributes as per the requirement, and the types of attributes also we have to make it out. And when we are going to design a database, one entity to another entity, we have a relationship. For example, if you consider faculty and students, faculty is an entity as well as entity set as well as students also entity set. Then both are having any relationship or not. Faculty and students are having relationship or not. Hello. Faculty and students is having any association or not. Quickly, time is running. Hello. Yeah, hello. Is it clear? What is the relationship between student and faculty? Hello? Is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Is my voice is yeah? I'm asking, is there any relationship between student and faculty? Sir, I'm not getting any voice. Hello. Any one of you please respond. Any one of you please respond.
Yes, sir. There is relationship.
What is that? Only how many relationships are there? At least tell me. What is the relationship between faculty and students in a college database? If I am going to design, can you make it out? Hello. No one is responding. Learner teacher. So instead of posting message, please try to unmute your mic and respond. Hello. Don't waste our time, yeah.
Sir, one
You are
possible case
waiting
is
for
learner
what?
and teacher.
Hmm. Here, here faculty teaches to students. The teachers is a relationship. Our faculty instruct to students, instructing to the students. That is instructing to is a relationship between. or faculty monitors students. That monitor is a relationship. So like that, depending on the situation, we can prepare a lot of relationships. Correct? Is it right?
Yes.
Hello. So if you are doing like this, I'm going to end the session. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm not getting any response from you. What? How should I? Right. So now, when we are providing a relationship between faculty and students, so is there any common attribute for both? Because, for example, the faculty from Mallareddy Institute, the students are CMR Technical Campus. Is there any chance of relationship between these two?
No, sir.
Hello. The faculty from Mallareddy? No. Means again, when you are going to provide any relationship or association between two entities, both the entities having at least one is a common attribute. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yogita Sri, why you are not responding? You are
Yes, sir.
unmuting, but you don't want to tell. People are, why you people are waiting? I don't know. I have to ask everyone. I have to mention the name. Why should I? Please, I'm telling whatever I'm asking, respond. Everyone. Otherwise, I will stop the session. So it is a very interactive session. We require to
Sir,
understand
there
these
is a
things.
lag between
Please.
both the
Even afternoon
voices.
also we will do the ER diagrams only. We will finish it. It is very important. Okay, right. Now faculty is from Mallareddy Institute and students are from CMR Technical Campus. Can we make it a relationship between these two? Is it possible?
No, sir. It's not possible.
Hello.
No, sir.
Why? Why no? Can you tell anyone?
Sir, because
Why it is
in
not possible?
Malareddy's entity, faculty and students are attributes to the entity, but the entity is only different now, sir. Students are from CMR.
As per the previous class discussions, I mentioned very clearly when we are going to identify entity for preparation of the database of one particular organization, the compulsory those all entities must be in that particular organization. Means they must have some relationship. Then only it is possible. Now faculty is from other organizations, students is from other organizations. We cannot have any relationship. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yeah, so that we cannot associate. So that is generally we know. But when we are going to design ER model, here we cannot tell like that. We have to represent because it is graphical representation. So that when you are designing ER model for faculty to students, now we have faculty, teachers. You need to write complete names here, please. Faculty, teachers, students. Now we know so many attributes here. Faculty ID, faculty name, and faculty salary, and faculty designation. Please write everyone. And teachers to students. What is it? Student hall ticket number. Please make a note very carefully. And here department. Again here department. Here student name. And here college name. Here also college name and course name. All these things will come. Now faculty teaches the students. Here when you are going to observe what is the primary key attribute of this faculty? Can anyone tell? What is the key Primary key attribute of this faculty entity. Hello?
Faculty ID.
What is the
Faculty
primary
ID.
key of this faculty? Faculty ID. Yeah, faculty ID is the primary key. Like that, we have to define. Now, what is the key attribute of the student? What is the key attribute of the student?
Ticket number.
What is the key attribute of the student? Primary key attribute. Hall ticket
Student
number.
hall
Yes.
ticket number.
For student, hall ticket number is the primary key. Yeah, student hall ticket number is the primary key of student. The faculty ID is the primary key of the faculty. Now, only these two are the key attributes. No, so many key attributes are there. For example, if you want to take the department, here departments are also maybe the key attributes, but it is not a key attribute. It is not a primary key. It is also a key attribute, but it is not a primary key attribute. It is a primary key. Now, what is this? This is a what is this? This is a unique key. Like that, students are having so many different key attributes, but all are not a primary key attribute because as per the discussion, for every entity we have only one primary key. The remaining key attributes you can make it as a unique key. Clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now in that, then what is foreign key? We have to learn now because of foreign key I am giving this information. In that, what is a foreign? Here, foreign key is very simple. Here, from faculty, you want to teach students from faculty end. Your faculty teaches to students. Your faculty is department is there. Yeah, department is there. Now, faculty teaches to which students? Because all faculty of Sema Technical Campus is not teachers to all the students of Sema Technical Campus. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Means, yeah, means only the faculty is going to teach us to the students who belong to same department. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Now this faculty primary key is a faculty member. For this faculty, what is the foreign key? Foreign key is nothing but when we are going to associate it to another entity, here through which attribute? Through department attribute we are associated. Why? Here only CSE department faculty, the department is CSE, teaches to CSE department students. So that from faculty to students, here the faculty primary key is a faculty ID, student primary key is a hall ticket number. Here unique keys we have so many keys from here and here, but here what is the foreign key? The primary key from faculty side, the primary key is faculty ID and foreign key of faculty is
Department.
yeah. Uh, internet problem is my side. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir. It's
Hello?
audible. Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
audible.
Yeah. Now understood everyone what is a foreign key now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah. Now, same vice versa from student side. Now I am at student side. Now, what is the primary key of these students entity? What is the primary key of the student entity? Hello.
Ticket number.
All ticket number is the primary key of student entity. What is the foreign key of the student entity? What is the foreign key of the student entity? Hello. So just now I given primary key of faculty is faculty ID. Foreign key of faculty is department of student. Now I am asking vice versa. Now I am at student. Now primary key of student is all ticket number. Then what is the foreign key of the student? What is the foreign key of student? Hello.
Faculty department.
Yes, very good. Here because here already I told you. Sir, we have all the faculty here, but only we have taken CSC student from here. I want to learn from student faculty. Then learners are CSC department. Compulsory the teachers must be CSC department. So that's why these students entity foreign key is department of the faculty. Here means here as per this understanding, whenever we are going to design a ER model, we have a relationship. When we have to apply the association between two entities, compulsory there is a common same attribute in both the entities. But don't tell that is a primary key attribute. The primary key attribute is different, unique key attribute is different, foreign key attribute is different. Here, when the foreign key will come, when we are going to associate two different entities with one relationship. Sir, when you are associating, we have to associate means there is a relationship. If there is a relationship means both are having same common property. All of you listening my database management system lab now. Now I know the database management system lab. So that we have the relationship. Here I am teaching, you are learning. Here same thing. The one common property is same. Then only there is a chance to associate two or more entities together. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Yeah. So based on this, we are going to identify super key, candidate key, primary key, foreign key, and unique key. Now clear, all of you clear keys. This is the second time here I explain these keys because it is very important. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to the next topic, types of relationship. Now you know already what is a relationship. Relationship is nothing but we are going to associate more than one entity. We have to associate entities together based on the relationship. That is called as relationship. Then how many types of relationships are there? We have four types of relationships. Yes, the first one is the unary relationship, also called as recursive relationship. Here, unary relationship is nothing but here which is associate itself. Means it is going to have only one entity. Only one entity is going to connect with itself. Such type of relationships are unary relationship. Here I will show you here example. I will explain later. I will ask one example. You must be tell that. Here I have taken a boss and worker relationship. The same thing I am going to apply for the unary relationship. How I am going to apply? You know, here in any organization, if you take all our employees or not, don't go about the designation. Just simple. All are employees. Any organization you can take it. All are employees or not. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So don't write simply like this. You have to write attributes also. Sir, in my notes I have not written attributes. What you mentioned. The employee ID, employee name, okay, no? Date of joining. Like this we can write. What are the attributes are required? Employee name and employee department. All these things we can write it. Okay. Here all are employees. Correct? Hello. All are employees. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yeah. If all are employees, if you consider now one employee, maybe the boss is going to manage to the worker. Maybe boss also a employee, even worker also a employee. The HOD also a employee of the CMR Technical Campus and faculty also an employee of the same campus. But all are employees. So that now I am taking only one entity for representing of total employees so that I am making it out a relationship without taking any extra entity. They are using only one entity. It is going to have only one entity, that is a unary relationship or recursive relationship. The boss is managers to workers. Sometimes worker is managers to boss. Correct or not? Yes or no? Hello? 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 Yes or no? Here I will show you same thing in the form of diagrams. The employee in this way also we can draw. Just I am showing the managers. The employee manages to employee or employee manages to employee. That employee may be the boss or that employee may be the worker. Now, in this way, here, here we have only one entity is going to involve. Here, based on that one entity, the relationship will be generated. That is what exactly. Now, you know, these are the attributes we can make it. One is employee ID, employee name, okay, employee designation, date of joining, like that. But here, how many entities are participating for this? Tell me, how many entities are participating here? Hello?
One.
Only one entity. So that is what unary relationship, or it is a unary relationship, or you can tell it is a recursive relationship. You can write EID, employee ID like this. Please don't do empty things. Compulsory, you must be write the all the things, all the attributes you mention here. Okay, just it is a online mode. That's why I'm using this tool. Even if it is offline, I can make it out in the notes also. You know very well. Hello, clear? Date of
Yes, sir.
joining, like that. Okay, salary. Sir, whatever the attributes, I'm taking only four, but you can write more attributes, please. So now what happened? Only one entity is associated with the same entity, but same employee, maybe that employee entity will work as a boss sometime and manages to worker. Sometimes that employee work as a worker and manages to the boss. So this is a unary relationship, or it is also called as recursive relationship. So for same, can you tell anyone one more example? So please note it down and tell me the one more example. So parallelly, you work already. I told you. Then only it will be covered. Understand? Any one of you, please. Any one of you, another example. Don't waste the time. Time is running. So I given one example, right? Same way you can give one more example. Hello? Is it audible? Is this my voice is audible? Is this my voice is audible? Hello? Now, if it is audible, now I am asking one example. For the unary relationship. Hello? You try. If it is wrong, also not a problem. I will correct it. Don't worry. Hello?
In a society, place and the public.
Society?
The hierarchies on the public.
I'm not understanding clearly. Can you repeat again, Anusha?
Yes, sir. So in a society,
Unless don't unmute. Tell me.
the higher authorities and the public both work.
Society?
The higher authorities, sir, they may be the government employees,
Hmm.
like
Okay.
that, and the
Society
public.
manages maybe against society. Maybe uh, hmm. Yeah. Rulers and public. All are society. She is telling like that. Yes, it will be work out. Sure. The ruler uh, means maybe I can tell uh, can we manage entities like what a society she is telling manages with society. Maybe inside society, maybe the higher people, maybe the rulers, and maybe the common people. Sometimes these people will be managed. Okay. Any other example? Any other example? Hello?
Every citizen can get only one hour.
No one is thinking. Yeah, very simple thing I am asking, generalized thing. It is not a technical one. Hello? I told you I need response.
For every
Hello?
citizen can get only one Aadhaar card or only one passport.
I'm not getting your voice, your something is disturbance is there. Please, anyone, don't waste the time. Already I told you, you pen and book, you write it, you tell me if it is wrong, I will correct it. Quickly. Already 1 hour is completed. Unnecessarily.
Sir, a citizen has only one passport or one Aadhaar card.
Cyclism, you are not understanding actually. The citizen is having one passport. Maybe the passport is attribute or entity.
It is attribute, sir.
Right? Passport is an attribute. Then I am telling that is what it is not possible. You are telling in different way. Here the question is here when we are going to provide a relationship, that relationship contains having only one entity. Only one entity. Here every entity is having more attributes. The citizen is having passport and other that is attributes. But when we are going to communicating to or associating to another entity, we have the relationship. Then only we can make it out. Already I told you, students learning from faculty. Student visits library. Means two different entities we have common attributes, then only we have to provide the association. Here attributes, I am not discussing about the attributes. I am discussing about the relationship. When we are going to provide the relationship, then here how many types are? The first one is the here unary relationship. That is a recursive. Means in this relationship there is no two, there is only one entity. There is no chance of two entities. There is only one entity. Means that entity itself we have to define the relationship. So that is what, right? Okay. Tell me any other example. Any one of you? Hello?
Sir, if we take a player as an entity, then we'll have the captain and the rest of the team. The captain manages the other team members, the players, like that.
Yeah. Players manages to player, right? The captain, you can take one time, is also a player, manages to, yeah, 100% right. Even we can write like that. We have to think. Okay, don't blindly do whatever I'm giving. Don't blindly do. Please try to practice this. You work out in your observation. So one more example also I can tell. Person manages to person. Your person may be the gent. Sometimes you can take a lady. Or vice versa. But only the entity is the person. So only one entity is enough for providing this association. Clear? All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Now coming to the binary relation. Yeah. Now coming to the binary relationship. The binary relationship is nothing but when we are going to provide a relationship or association, it contains two entities. So for example, publisher publishes book. The publisher is one entity, publisher ID. So you please write down the attributes. Publisher name, okay. Publisher location, phone number, mail ID, all these attributes you have to write. Publisher publishes book. Here, book ID, BID, and book name, and price, and number of pages, here, author, all these things will come for book attributes. Now here, when I want to provide a relationship between these two relationship between two entities, here two are participating for this relationship. So that this relationship is called as binary relationship. Are you clear? Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Binary relationship means here it is going to involve two entities. In this relationship, it is going to involve three entities. Such relationship is called as binary relationship. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Allah. Yeah. Now tell me any one of the example for binary relationship.
Faculty teaches
Tell me one
student.
example. Yeah, just now I done that. Okay. Faculty, teacher, student is the binary relation because here student and faculty two entities are there. Here everyone please write attributes of faculty and attributes of student. Then only it will work and one common attribute from both. Yes or no? Hello? Then only we can have the relationship. Otherwise we cannot have the relationship. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, one more example.
Student
One more
enrolled
example
in a
from you.
course.
Yeah. Student. Your student is a entity. Course is a another entity. Now what is the relationship? Can you repeat once?
Enrolled.
Enrolled. enroll. When we are going to provide this association, we have at least one common attribute. Here one is this is a student hall ticket number, is a primary key for the student, and the course ID, CID, is also a primary key for course. Now you know like that student name, student class, and student department, and course ID, course name, and course department, like that. It is having. Now, is there any common address? Now, this is a binary relationship. Yes or no? Student enrolled course. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Now, already just I told you that when we are providing association compulsory, we need to verify one common attribute is there, so that only we can provide the relationship. So these courses are mechanical department courses. These students are CSC department. Is it possible to make it one association? Hello? All courses are mining courses. Now students are CSC department. Is it possible to provide a relationship for both these? Hello? Hello? Respond, yaar. People are not responding. Wait. Hello? Are you clear? Whatever I am asking, are you clear now? Is it audible? My voice is audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am asking, so these courses are mechanical department, civil mining department courses. Students are CS department. Is it chance to associate these two students and courses?
No, sir.
No, sir. We can't.
No. That's why. That is why here we have one common attribute. Here department and department. Based on that only we are going to associate. Now understand binary relationship now everyone? Understood
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, one more example. Can anyone please tell me one more example on this binary relationship? So please write on your notes. Please tell me any one of you. Hello? Any one of you please tell me another example of binary relationship.
Passenger book ticket.
Ticket is entity or attribute?
So entity which has its own, unique number and all.
It is not going to fulfill. Next, any other example?
Sir, customer has account.
Customer account is a attribute of customer, right? Customer deposit amount in bank. You can tell like that. Customer borrows from bank. Customer
Okay, sir.
depositing bank. The bank is entity. If you write tell that ticket also not possible. Passenger books ticket for train. Train is entity. You can make it out. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear now? Sir, that's why you must have clear idea about what is entity, what is attribute. Then only we can design the ER model. If you are confusing identification of entities attributes, again the problem will come. Okay, everyone is understood binary relationship?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Now coming to the ternary relationship. The ternary relationship is nothing but the three entities are going to participate within the one relation. That is called as ternary relationship. Before discussing ternary relationship, I will tell you one important point. So always in ER diagrams, we are going to design from left to right and top to bottom. So don't go from right to left and bottom to top. Clear? All of it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For designing of ER diagram, you must go through from left to right or top to bottom. So this is what exactly. So that here coming to ternary relationship, already I told you, ternary means three. Here three entities are going to associate with one relation. That is called as ternary relationship. Here, for example, teacher teaches subject, teacher teaches student. Here you don't come subject teacher student. Here right to left. Here only left to right and top to bottom. Teacher teaches students. Teacher teaches subject. So that we know teacher ID, attributes, teacher name, teacher designation, teacher address. So many things you can type. Now subject, subject ID, subject name, and subject prerequisites, objectives, and outcomes. You can write like that all. Now student means student hall ticket number, student name, student department, and student natal address or phone number, whatever it is. Now here also ternary relationship when you are considering, we have three entities. But when you are associating, compulsory one is a common attribute. Teacher teaches to subject, teacher teaches student. When you are associating, compulsory there is a common attribute from teacher to student and teacher to subject. Here, what is that? Maybe the teacher, subject, and student is same department. So that the teacher teaches that subject, teacher teaches student. That's why the teacher department is there here, student department also there, subject, which department subject. There lies that one common attribute exists, then only we can make it out a association. If there is no common attribute means student is CMR technical campus, the teacher is maybe the other university, Mallareddy University, if you take it. Now, it is not possible. Subjects are mining. Subjects are mining. Student is CMR technical campus and teacher is the Mallareddy University. Now, how it is possible? Not possible. So that's why that association is not possible. That's why one of the common attribute must be there in whatever the entities are associated. Now, a ternary relationship, when you are going to implement, here there is a chance of three entities are going to associate with one relationship. That is called as ternary relationship. Everyone is understood? Everyone
Yes,
is understood this ternary relationship?
understood.
Yeah. Can you tell any example? Any one of you tell example for this ternary relationship, please. Any one of you, please tell the ternary relationship example. More quickly. Hello. Hello. I'm asking example for ternary relationship.
Sir, doctor prescribes medicine to patients, sir.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So does doctor prescribes Medicine to patients. Only two entities are there. One is patient, another one is doctor.
Sir, medicine is one entity, sir.
Medicine is one entity. So where is the relationship? Then if you consider medicine is one entity, doctor is one entity, and patient is one entity, then where is the relationship? Tell me, where is the relationship for ternary connecting of three entities? Whatever you said, that is binary only. Doctor is one entity, patient is one entity. The doctor prescribing medicines to is a relationship to the patient entity. So that is binary only. I am asking ternary.
So bank has employees and bank has
Anyone,
customers.
please. Yeah, very good. Simple meaning, simple example. Your bank. To take bank is one entity. Who is this? May I know your name?
Anusha, sir.
Bank. Very good. Employees and customers. You can write customers here, employees here, not a problem. Okay? Don't think why sir is writing like this. You can write any order, not a problem. Bank as employees, bank as customers. For here, every entity we need to write attributes. What is that? Maybe the bank, some code is there. Maybe I am calling ID and the name of the bank and branch. Now, employee ID. Please everyone note it down examples. Employee name. Like this only you need to write. Don't write only entities. Attributes you need to write. Then only you can understand database design. And employee designation and employee salary, etc., etc. And customer CID, customer ID, customer name, and type of the customer. You know, so many types of customers are there. Like that, we can write. Now, what is the common attribute of these three? Tell me, anyone? So that we can associate. Otherwise, we cannot associate.
All belongs to same branch.
Hello? Yeah, very good. Nice, Anisha. This is the answer I want to expect from you. Here, all are with same branch. Then only we can do it. Here, branch. Here also you need to write a branch. The customer also same branch. Because same bank, maybe the branches are different, maybe it is not possible. That's why here all are same branch. Now, this is a ternary relationship. Right, good. Still any answer? Hello? Is there any other answer? Is there any another answer? Hello?
Manager
No
manages
one
his
is responding.
employee and his customers.
Manager manages employees,
And his
manager
customers.
manages customers. Exactly. Good one. But everywhere you need to write attributes and that common attribute is required. Still any other example? Hello? I need one more example for ternary relationship.
Loan.
I mean, Sunny, don't waste the time. Hmm? Hello. One more example. Any one of you, please, quickly. So think, yeah, so many real-time cases you have. Already I given 16 databases. You can tell that, yeah, you can use same databases and you can tell the answer. Same thing you can apply in your database. That is what I am expecting from you. That is why I told you yesterday very clearly. Attend along with your observation. Based on your data sets only, you tell me. So that you can update your observation. That will be easy for you. Tell me quickly. Hello? Hello?
Sir, if we take the Facebook database, then the user manages the friends and the manages the
Hmm.
posts.
Yeah, right. Good. So like that. Like that we can do it. Okay, good. Very good, Anusha. Right, coming to the last relationship is quaternary relationship. Means the quaternary means the four entities are going to associate with one relation. The maximum four entities only going to associate one relationship. So such mechanism is called as quaternary relationship. You know, already I told you very clearly, the maximum we can connect only, associate only maximum four entities. So that is a quaternary relationship. Here, for example, student studies course material, student studies subject, teacher studies course material, teacher studies subject. Here, already I told you, always you must be move from left to right and top to bottom. So that student studies course material, student studies subject, teacher studies subject, teacher studies course material. Now here, you know, the student is having hall ticket number, you know very well, and name of the student. Okay. Now teacher ID, and the name of the teacher, you know, course ID, CID, and name of the course, C name, subject, maybe the subject ID, and S name, SID, and S name, like that. Here, what is the common attribute of these four entities? So that we can associate. Students and teacher must be same department, subject also must be same department, and course must be same department. So that we can add department attribute for all the four entities. Yes or no? Hello? Have you understood this? All of you. Quaternary relationship is clear, everyone. Hello? All of you clear this quaternary relationship or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, based on this, can you tell any one example? So please, everyone think. Tell me. I need two to three examples on this quaternary relationship. Hello? Hello? Is my voice is audible? Is this my
Yes,
voice
sir,
is
we can
audible or
hear.
not? Yeah, I'm asking one example on quaternary relationship.
Director directs.
Hmm? Director?
Directs movie.
Hmm. Okay. That is a quaternary. Director and direct movies is quaternary relationship. It's a binary relationship. A quaternary means four entities are going to associate with one relationship. So that is a quaternary relationship. Please. So based on your data sets only you tell. Don't worry about that. So many examples are there. Tell me.
So college has teachers, college has students, college has workers.
Can you tell how to write now? This is college.
Yes, sir. College.
Hello. Next. What should I
Uh,
write?
College has
Teachers.
teachers. Yes, sir.
Teachers. The relationship is what here?
College
Okay.
has. College has
College has
students.
teachers. College has students.
Students.
Tell me. Hmm?
1 second, sir.
This is ternary only. It is not a
Ternary.
quaternary.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, I am asking quaternary. Now tell me
So
any
if
one
we
of you.
add workers to that, then it becomes quaternary.
Sorry? Can you repeat?
So just now you told that college has faculty and students, as well as the college has the workers also.
Where should we write that?
Okay,
Where should we write?
I
Here,
got it now, sir.
ER model always, the implementation always from left to right and top to bottom. Always. So when we use a relationship, that must be associated to four entities. So that is a quaternary. As the discussion, what I told. Student
Hos-
studies. Yeah, tell me. Some girl is
hos-
starting.
Hospital has patients, doctor, and physician.
Wait. I'm writing. Hospital. Okay, entity. Now tell me one more entity.
Hospital has doctors,
Has is a relationship. Okay.
doctors,
Okay. Doctors.
patients,
Hospital has doctors.
patients,
Hospital has patients. Tell me. Three entities are only there
administration,
here.
and
Where should
physician
I
or
write? Where should I write?
sir.
Sir, once can you show your example, sir?
Student studies course material. Student studies subject. Teacher studies course material. Teacher studies subject. Here always I am doing left to right and top to bottom. I never moved from right to left and bottom to top because as per the year model rules and regulations, we must move from left to right and top to bottom. So this is only the thing we have to do. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, tell me now.
Sir, if we take the movie database, then the director manages the actors as well as the choreographers and the producers also.
Wait. Director,
Manages
tell me director manages.
actors.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Director manages
Director
actors.
manages.
Actors.
Manages actors.
Choreographers.
Oh,
To the bottom, choreographers.
okay, choreographers.
At the top, the producer.
Oh. Sorry?
At the top, producer.
Hello? At the top producer. Okay, right. Right answer. So now director manages actors, director manages maybe the choreographers. At the same time, producer manages actors, producer manages choreographer. Yeah, it will work. Now, what is the common attribute?
All
Your
belongs
director
to same.
ID, director name, all belongs to
Same movie.
choreographer ID, choreographer name. Same movie. The movie name is same for all the entities. Same common attribute is there. Here, like that, we can design the quaternary relationship. Any other example? Any one of you? From your database only, because if you are doing this, the implementation of your ER model designing is very easy. That's why I'm asking. From your databases only, we have to connect like this. Are you following? Hello?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you following? Yeah, tell me one more example from your databases. Quickly. Hello. No one is responding. No one is thinking, just listening.
Sir, we need some time to think, sir.
Yeah. Otherwise, one thing you do it. You all of you please from your database you prepare unary, binary, quaternary, and ternary relationships, and work out on and submit tomorrow by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. Work out.
Okay, sir.
Sir, if you are doing that, then you can understand how to design the database parallel. I will tell you today. Don't worry. Today we will finish the year model. Okay. Now you understood how to prepare ternary, quaternary, and binary and unary. Everyone is understood. So that I can go for next topic. The implementation of types of relationship is understood everyone. Hello? Implementation of types of relationships are understood everyone. Yes. So we'll move to the next topic, mapping cardinality. This is also very, very important. Here, mapping cardinality. Here, what is the mapping cardinality? Here already we know, so many times I discussed, if I take an entity, sometimes we are going to confuse that is entity or entity set. Yes or no? Hello? If you find one entity, you are going to confuse it is an entity or entity set. For example, if I take student, student is an entity or entity set. Student is an entity or entity set.
Entity set.
Hello? Is it audible? My voice is audible? Entity set. So why it is entity set? Why it is entity set? Can you tell why it is an entity set? Hello? Respond, yaar, quickly. Why it is an entity set?
Because it has a collection of entities.
Yeah. Then when it combination of all the students, yes, exactly. If I wanted to find one particular entity out of that entity set, we have to define that student all ticket number so that we can identify that entity uniquely. Now, now here mapping cardinality is nothing but when we are associating one entity to another entity, one entity to one entity set to another entity set. Then out of that, all entities of that entity is participating or one entity is going to participate, you have to identify. Means, for example, generally we have four types of cardinality. Please listen carefully. For mapping cardinality, four types are there. There are one to one to many to one, many to many. Okay? One by one we will go like that. First example, one to one. If you understood first this one to one, then you can understand remaining. Here, directly I will go with the example. Customer deposit account. Here, customer is an entity, account is an entity, deposit is a relationship. Here, customer deposit account. Here, how many customers here are going to deposit how many accounts? Here, customer is going to deposit only his account, means only one account. Yes or no? Means one customer is going to deposit one account. Yes or no? Here, you need to write here all attributes, customer ID, customer name, date of birth, branch, all these things. Even account also, account number, okay, name of the account. Now, are you clear? Only one customer is going to deposit one account. One customer cannot deposit more than one account. Or more customers are going to deposit one account. Or more customers are going to deposit more accounts. Only the chance is only one customer is going to deposit the amount to one account. Yes or no? Hello?
Sir.
Hello? Is it audible? Now understood. Customer deposit to account. One customer is going to deposit to one account. So that this is a one-to-one cardinality. Are you clear? Hello? Are you clear? I'm asking, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear,
Yeah.
sir.
Why you are taking more time to respond? No, customer deposit into account. Here, one customer is depositing to one account. Just so that this is a one-to-one cardinality. In your diagram, we are going to mention here this one and one. Here in this line, here in this relation, we can mention one. Your customer is one customer, our account is one customer. Here, some people are going to represent like this. One means only one. N means many. Remember. Otherwise, some people will use this arrow symbol. Instead of using one, you can use arrow to an entity cardinality. An entity in A, this is A, is associated with at most one entity in B. And an entity in B is associated with at most one entity in A. That is what exactly. One customer deposit to only one account. This is one to one. Clear this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Have you cleared this?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Can you tell any one of the example for one-to-one relation?
Student submit
One-to-one
assignment.
cardinality. One example. Student submit assignment. Assignment is an entity. Sure, don't give the generalized statements. Sir, whatever the databases I given, you are identified already entities. Those entities you make it. Sir, don't take generalized things. Please. Hello. I told you very clearly, when you are associating, one attribute is a common. That is a branch maybe. Customer branch and account branch are the same. That is a general. When you are associating, it is there. So which type of association is one-to-one association? Now tell me, any one of you, please. Quickly, time is running. Hello?
Person has
Hello?
passport.
Amma, I am telling very clearly, passport is a passport. Yeah, passport is a entity, right? Person as a passport. The person is a yes. Person as a passport. Right. But at least you find from your database, then that is a good. Okay, yes, this is one person having only one passport. So that it is a one-to-one relationship. Clear? One more example. You write attributes also here, please. Okay, person name and other member or etc. Details and his passport ID, passport name, and which country. Here also country is same, so that we can associate. Now tell me one more example from
Company
your
has
data sets.
employee.
Company has employee. Yeah, company is one, but employee only one employee. Company is having only one employee. Company is having only one employee. Employee means many, right? Hello.
Department has
Hello.
HOD.
Department has HOD. Yeah. Department has HOD. Here HOD only single for single department. Right. It will work. Right answer. Right. Now coming to second one coordinate, that is one to many. One to many means there only A side only one entity out of entity set it is going to associate, but B side many. So just now one guy is given. Company has employees. That is a one-to-many relationship. So department has employees. Department has faculty. So one department is having n number of faculty. Here I told you another representation. Okay, you can use this numbering format or you can use the slides only. If you are using normal line, that is a many relationship, or if you can use this arrow line, that is a one coordinate. The department has employees. One department has many employees. Just now one guy is given company has employees. That is also a one to many relationship. Any other example? Quickly.
Showroom has cars.
Sorry?
A showroom has many
Showroom
cars.
has cars. Yeah. But why you are going different things? Why you are not doing in your data sets? If you are doing your data set, implementation of VR model will be easy for you. Right? Your answer is right. Showroom has cars, 100%. But try to design on your data sets. Then that will be help for implementation of your AR model. Please
Okay.
tell me fast.
So student work on projects.
Student
Works on projects.
students work. Okay, team members, right? Students means more than one. Works on project, single project, right? 100% right. So like that, we can do that. So one to many. Next one is the many to one. But one thing you remember, this one common attribute must be same when you are associated. That is very important. Don't forget to write attributes. Just in my notes, I have not written attributes, but don't think I have to write in examination without attributes. No, you need to mention and you need to mention one common attribute. Okay? Hello?
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
Hello? Hello? Is it okay for you? Yeah, right. Now coming to many to one. Here many to one means here all more than one entities are participating from entity to only one entity. That is employees works for company. The faculty works for department or faculty works for college. The faculty means in more than one. Here only for company or organization, only one. The employees work for company. This is a many to one relationship. Can you tell any one of the example for many to one
Students study
from
in
your
an
data sets?
institute.
Don't go beyond the data sets. Tell me, students,
Study in an institute.
so what you are discussing?
Many to one.
Many to one. Student to study. Relationship name is not good. Student learning from institute. Okay.
Study in
But I
institute.
told you, please try to use your data. Try to use your databases. Don't use a generalized example. Okay, right. 100% your answer is right, but use your data sets.
Many customers in one
Anyone?
restaurant.
Customers?
In one restaurant. In customers has restaurant. Sorry.
Yeah.
Many customers in one restaurant, sir. That is what I
Customers for restaurant. Don't write many. Don't write many. You write just simple customers. Customers for
in restaurant.
restaurant.
In
Right.
restaurant.
One restaurant, many customers. Okay. Right. Very good. Then even I can tell you this one to many to reverse it to many to one. The department as employees, you reverse it. Employees as department time of writing of exam. Clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. The last one is the many to many. That means all more entities are part associated with more entities of another entity set. That is, employees works on project. Here, employee works on project. Here, many employees works on many projects. In the software company, if you take employees, more employees works in more projects. So there is only one, not only one project, many projects are there. So such that based on the requirement, they will work. That's why the employees works on project. There are many employees works on many projects. Now tell me any other example, many to many, as per your data set.
So students enroll in courses.
Student enrolls in course, right? 100% right. Because many students and many courses, they can enroll, right? Any other example? But don't forget to write attributes and common attributes for association. Okay.
Passengers booking
Any other
flights.
example? Passenger booking flights. Yes, 100%. Many to many. One more. Last. One more. Hello. Hello. I need one more example so that I can end this. Next, I will go with another topic. Hello. Many too many, I am asking. Tell me fast, quickly. Is it audible? Is this my voice is audible? Yeah, Ram Challa. You given one response in the thought box. Customers place orders. Exactly. There are many customers place orders. Why can't you unmute your mic and tell the answer? Your answer is right. Right. Okay. Customers place the order. Okay, so many orders we can place. Okay, right. This is also right. Many to many village. Is it clear? Everyone is clear? All of you clear for this mapping cardinality?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please try to inculcate whatever the topics we are telling, try to inculcate your ER model design. So don't, here this is I am discussing, you must be add all these features. Okay? Types of relationships and mapping cardinalities and following also. The next topic is strong and weak entity. What is a strong entity and what is a weak entity? Very simple information I will tell you. A strong entity never depends on any other entity. Strong entity is having its own uniqueness, so that it is a strong. The weak entity always depending on some other entity, so that it is called as weak entity. Are you clear? Are you clear? Then how to define, I will tell you. Are you clear? What is the meaning of strong entity and weak entity?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, here when we are preparing a ER model, you need to identify which is a which type of relationship, which is a which type of cardinality, and that entity is a weak entity or strong entity. You know already the strong entity representation is rectangle, the weak entity representation is double rectangle. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When you are preparing ER model, you can use normally the entity. After understanding, then you, after implementation, then you can understand, oh, this is the weak entity. Here, for example, here we are prepared one ER model. Out of that, you got this example. Employee has parent. Here, employee, maybe it is having some other relationship also, but employee is never depending on the parentability. So every employee, maybe some employees are parents or not, that is irrespective. But employee is not depending on parent. Yes or no? So maybe he is the employee, but that employee is never depending on his parentability. Are you clear? It is having its own response, own individuality. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? But coming to the parent, here if he is the parent, compulsory, if the job is required that parent to sustain their family. So that this parent entity depending on, in this case, especially I'm telling in this case, the parent must be depending on the employer. So that parent is depending on employee. So that this is a parent. In this case, I am telling always parent is a weak entity. Not I am not telling like that. In this situation, in this association, the parent is a weak entity because this parent is always depending on the employability. So that this parent is a weak entity. This is a weak entity. Weak entity representation double rectangle. This is a strong entity. The association is there again. Employee ID, employee name, and employee code, and here also employee code. So common attribute is there because when you are associating, compulsory one of the attribute must be there. Now understood? Hello, all of you understood? Even I will give one more example also. Your customer borrows loan. Here, but here, if you observe, customer borrows loan. Here, customers are individual. Why? Because all the customers are not going to borrow, right? Customer is not depending on loan. Yes or no? Because that customer is sometimes. Hello? Is it audible? My voice is audible. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am asking. The customer is, all the customers are not borrowed from the bank. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All the, yeah. So that customers are individual. Customers are not depending on loans. Correct? Yes or no? Customers are
Yes,
not
sir.
depending on loans. That's why customer is a 100% customer is a strong entity. Here coming to the loan is always depending on customers, right? Only the loan is going to give only customers, not to the outside of the people. So that this loan entity always depending on customer or not.
Yes, sir.
This loan entity always depending on this customer or not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that this loan is a weak entity. Yes or no? And
Yes,
this
sir.
customer is a strong entity in this relationship. Understood now? So that we have to represent double rectangle for loan. The same. The employee has parent. Parent is a weak entity in this case, employee is a strong entity. Can you tell any one of the example for this from your data set? Hmm? Please tell me. Quickly, time is running. One example. Hello? Have you understood this? Strong and weak entity, everyone? Yes, because you need to identify strong and weak entity in your all entity database design. That's why. Have you understood first strong and weak entity, everyone? Hello? Are you understood this strong and
Yes,
weak
sir.
entity sets? Hello? Yes or no? Respond here quickly. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
understood these weak and strong entity concepts? Yeah. If yes, please tell me one example on strong and weak entity sets. One example, enough. Remaining you can think later. Please quickly.
User posts photo.
Hello? User?
Posts photo.
I'm not understanding. User? Post? What is
Up,
the post? I'm not understanding your analysis. Please, can you tell some clearly, somewhat clear? I'm not understanding your answer. Anyone, please think fast. User upload photos. Then what is this? Upload photos. You are not giving any proper entities here. Please. It is not right. Saurabh, I don't know what you are telling. What is your idea? I am not understanding. Saurabh, uh, any one of you, please respond.
Sir, a house
Student
has
enrolled courses. House has
rooms.
house has what? What shall we tell? Huh? Some girl is posted, I think Ram Challa. Student enrolled courses. You're always, yes, student is not, yes, 100%. This is right, Ram Challa. Here, always the student is a strong entity, courses is a weak entity because the courses is depending on student, not for the student is not depending on courses. Maybe situation, maybe department if you take the students, maybe any student they can take. Okay, it will work. Okay, now everyone is understood strong and weak entity now. Everyone is understood strong and weak entity.
yes.
Hello? Yeah, please go through that. And coming to the this lab, we can finish with this example. And afternoon also we will continue 2 to 3 for same. Today we are going to finish the ER model. That's why. Please try to apply for this 1 hour. You try to apply. Last topic for this session: participation constraint. Here, what is the meaning of participation? Two types of constraints are there: total participation, partial participation. I will tell you. The same example, we can use weak and strong entity and participation constraint. We can use same example, but some extension. So what is the participation constraint? Nothing but all entities of the entity set is going to participate for this relationship is called as total participation. Only some of the entities are participating with that particular relation that is called as partial participation. Now clear? Meaning is clear? Because entity set is a nothing but it is a collection of entities. So that if it is a collection of entities means sometimes all entities are participating, sometimes only some of the entities are participating in that relationship when we are going to associate. Now all entities is participating for the relationship that is called as total participation. Only some of the entities are participating with the relationship that is called as partial participation. Now clear? Partial and total participation, all of you clear? Meaning is clear, definition is clear. I will tell you the example, don't worry. Definition is clear.
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yeah. Now, this example, customer borrows loan. Here, I told you, here, when we are going to take any bank, all our customers, but only some of the customers are going to borrow the loan, not for all the customers. Not for all the customers. Only only some of the customers will take the loan from the bank. So that only some. So that this is a partial constraint, partial participation. For that, we need to write only single line. Single line meaning is partial participation. Means the customer is a entity set, but all entities are not participating for this loan association. Only some of the customers are going to take the or borrow the loan. So that it is a partial participation. Now coming to the loan. Here all borrowers are going to take the loan. All borrowers are take the loan. That's why it is a total. Means all the borrowers are associated with per loan. So that all the borrowers, that's why it is a total participation. The total participation representation is two lines, two links. The partial participation representation is only one link. Clear everyone? All of you clear everyone? Hello? Hello? All
No,
of you
sir.
clear? Not clear? Okay. Again, I will tell you. Here, customers borrows loan. Customer borrows loan. Okay. Here, all customers are borrower of the bank. Tell me. All the customers are borrowers.
Yes, sir.
All customers are borrowers. So, in a bank, all customers are taking the loans. Only some of the customers will take the loan, some of the customers they will deposit, some of the customers they will use the bank. That's why different accounts are there, right? That's why all the customers are not borrowing. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that only some of the customers are borrowers. So that's why it is a partial participation. Partial participation representation is single link. Only some of the customers are borrowers. Clear? Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now, sir, but all the borrowers who are taking loan, all the borrowers are going to take the loan. Means all borrowers are going to take the loan. Means all compulsory. Borrowers is nothing but a borrower. He is going to take the loan. So that all are participating. That's why it is a total participation. Every borrower is going to associate with the loan. All the borrowers are associated with the loan. That's why it is a total participation. All borrowers are going to associate. The representation is two links. Now clear? Total participation and partial participation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear now? Now I can give one more example also. So employee has parent. Your employee has parent, but I told you all employees are not a parent. Only some of the employees are parent. So that implies that this is a what? Partial participation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now has parent. Here as parent. Here means this is a parent. Now it is a total participation. Understand?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood? Yeah. So like that, here we have to identify cardinality, types of the relationship, types of attributes, types of the entities, types of the relationships, and and strong and weak entity and participation constraints when we are going to design the AR model. Now understood everyone? Participation constraints are understood, total and partial. Hello? Have you understood? Hello? Are you
Yes,
understood
sir.
this? Yeah. Can you tell one example on this? Participation constraint. Can you tell any one of the example so that I can conclude the class, please? Immediately. I'm expecting one example from you. Hello? Hello? Hello. Anisha, can you tell one example on this total and partial participation? One more example also I will tell you. Hello. Faculty teaches students. Faculty is a strong entity, students is a weak entity. Faculty teaches students. Hello?
Student enrolled in course.
Students enrolled in course.
Course. Here, student are total participation.
Course is a partial participation. Yeah, right. 100%.
Yes.
The faculty teaches students also. Faculty is a total participation. Students is a partial participation. Because all students are not following, all students are not listening the class. Yes or no? That's what I am telling. Yes, you apply total participation every class. Is it clear everyone now? Up to this, is this clear? Is this clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, today afternoon we are going to apply all these rules to your model. I will show you one data set, how to design your model. Like that, you design your total data sets as per the discussion. Okay, these are the rules we will discuss. Okay, clear this?